We have covered the core components of Python's unitist framework: basic assertions, testing for exceptions, and managing resources with setup and teardown. Now it's time to apply these skills to a practical assignment. You will be testing a simple class designed to manage user tasks. 1. The Task Manager class. Your code under test is this simple Task Manager class, located in taskmanager.py. It has methods to initialize an empty task list, add a task, remove a task, and retrieve all tasks. Note that the remove task method raises a value error if the task does not exist. Your goal is to test all these functionalities. 2. Assignment requirements. Create a file named test_taskmanager.py and write a test class. You must cover 4 specific requirements. First, use the setup method to initialize a new instance of the Task Manager class before every test. Second, write a test using self.assert equal to check if a task is added correctly and the length of the list is updated. Third, write a test using self.assert raises to confirm that removing a non-existent task raises a value error. Fourth, optionally, you can use tearDown to check that the instance is properly cleaned up after tests. To summarize, start by setting up the instance in Setup, then create tests for successful addition and failed removal. Good luck! Our next lecture 34.06, Documentation. See you there.